Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a limited edition unboxing to share with you, and it is a Lookfantastic and Laura Mercier collaboration box. Inside contains 8 Laura Mercier makeup products. It has a value of £134. You can purchase it for £70, but if you are a beauty box subscriber, then you can purchase this box for £60. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. If you're interested in purchasing this box for yourself, then you will find a link down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get into showing you what's inside. Just give you a bit of a sneak peek first, you're not going to see much. There's no card in this box, but we'll go through them one by one, showing you what's inside. First up, we got a gorgeous primer. It's the Pure Canvas Primer. It's their Hydrating Primer, and we've got 50 mils here. Now I already have this, and it is gorgeous. It feels amazing. All of Laura Mercier's primers are stunning. I have tried quite a few of them, but yeah, I love the hydrating one. It just feels amazing on my skin. I've got combination skins. This just gives a nice bit of extra staying power to my makeup. It feels like it contains silicone, but it is silicone free. It just feels so nice and hydrating on the skin. I love that. The breathable formula seals in skincare and creates a protective barrier that extends makeup wear. The Hydrating Primer is a wake-up call for the complexion. Olive extract visibly smooths and locks in hydration, whilst marine hydro botanicals replenish skin and promote long-term moisture recovery. It's got primer. Next we've got a Caviar or volume mascara. And this is in a glossy black. I don't think I've tried. Oh yes, I have. I have tried this. The packaging just gave it away. I've actually got a little mini one with the rest of my makeup. Yeah, it's nice. It's got a nice big wand there. It's a nice for really grabbing at the lashes and adding length. So you've got a full size one now. Next we've got a blush colour Infusion, and this is in shade Strawberry. Now this is new for me. Wow. You've got a mirror there, and that's what the shade looks like. Okay, let's try a little bit on my hand. Oh, it's nice. It looks baby pink, but it is quite subtle. Yeah, it is quite subtle. Just a nice pink blush there. Little flush to your cheeks. It says a sheer buildable blush that delivers 10 hours of natural looking cheek colour. Got a blusher. Now on to the minis, and we've got a Caviar stick in shade Naturel. So it's a little mini one there. I love these sticks. I'm actually wearing one on my eyes at the moment. My eye makeup today, super fast. What, 5 minutes or so? I just run these crayons on my lid and underneath my eyes as well, and then I have a sort of like a buffing brush, and then I just buff it into my socket, and then I buff it underneath my eyes as well. Then I build up the intensity in the corners, adding a little bit more if needed, blending it out, and then to soften it I just use a blending fluffy brush with a tonal shade. So I've got like a coppery sort of colour, very subtle, just to soften the tops, then just to blend it out a bit more. And then I use a brown eyeliner. I do really like them. Definitely the type of product I wear if I'm going away somewhere, a night out, holiday, something like that. They're just nice and easy to use. I really like this. That is a gorgeous sort of base shade. Oh, I do really like it. I haven't got this one. That is lovely. So we got a Caviar stick in Au Naturel. Next we've got a little mini size translucent powder. Ooh, can you see? It's got a very faint sort of tint to the powder, but it's lovely. I've already got one of these. I really like the glow one as well. I didn't know it was glow at the time, so then I was like putting it underneath my eyes. And I was like, what on earth is going on? It looks really shiny and my wrinkles really stood out. So yeah, The difference is that the lid for the glow is like a khaki green, a dark khaki green, and the normal one, the translucent one, is black. But they have brought out a new one, a honey one I think it's called, and that's for more medium to darker skin tones. So yeah, so I learnt my lesson, never to put the glow underneath my eyes, just keep it to the high points of my face. But yes, we got a little powder there. Got a lipstick, and this is in shade, I don't know actually, it's, these annoy me. This is Rouge to me. So this is like a little sample one. Oh yeah, I think I might already have this. Look at that colour. Oh, I love reds. I absolutely love red. Yeah, I'm sure I've already got it. It is stunning. Gorgeous, gorgeous colour. I'll have to check to see. I've got quite a few little mini ones. So, but I'm sure I have actually got this shade. So those are the makeup products, and there's two little skincare products as well. We've got a sample of illuminating eye cream. I haven't tried any skincare products from Laura Mercier before. So that's what that's like, illuminating eye cream. Okay. I don't mind brightening, but I don't want glowing. No, it's just really nice and hydrating. Yeah, that is lovely. And then lastly, we've got a little sample of the Perfect Cream Multitasking Moisturiser. If you've tried any of the skincare before, please let me know what it's like, what you think of it. Okay, let's try a little bit on the corner there. But yeah. I'm blending it into the makeup now. It feels really, really nice in the skin. Multitasking moisturiser. So those are all the products, so I'll just go through them one by one, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got a Hydrating Pure Canvas Primer. We've got a Caviar Panoramic Volume Mascara. We've got a Caviar Eyeshadow Crayon in shade Au Naturel. We've got a blush in shade Strawberry. We've got a translucent setting powder. We've got a lipstick. We've got a multitasking moisturiser, and lastly an illuminating eye cream. As always, I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? I love Laura Mercier. I haven't tried a lot of products. I don't think I've ever tried an eyeshadow, but I've tried the primers, mascaras, and the Caviar sticks, and I think the lipsticks as well. So I have tried half the products inside this box, but I do really like them. What I have tried, I do really like. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.